Hi everyone, this video will show you how to operate your PACKTALK Bold and make the most out of it. Stay tuned. Reviewers around the world called it the foolproof choice, the leader of the pack, the best comm system for 2017 and for 2018. The reason? DMC, Dynamic Mesh Communication, an intercom technology that leaves all other Bluetooth communication systems of any brand far, far behind. And with this new PACKTALK Bold, we're making it even better. New high-definition sound experience, new man-machine interface, new app to run it, but above all else, the world's first natural voice operation. Just tell it what you want, and it will do the rest. Out of the box, PACKTALK Bold comes with 3 activation buttons controlling media, phone, and intercom. It also has a back roller for controlling volume. Press it to pause or stop whatever audio you're listening to. But forget about buttons. Hey Cardo, music on.
Music on.
Hey Cardo, next track. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, battery status.
Battery status, 15%.
I think we're still good to go. Hey Cardo, music off.
Music off.
Let's start the tutorial. To turn your device on or to shut it off, press the media and phone buttons together.
Mode, DMC, intercom, mode. Goodbye.
Now let's go into the business of pairing. PACKTALK Bold has 2 downward pairing channels for pairing up to 2 mobile devices, such as a mobile phone and a GPS. On the upward side, PACKTALK Bold can pair to a group of up to 14 other DMC-enabled devices, including SmartPacks, PACKTALKs, Smart Ages, and PACKTALK Slims. It can also bridge in any Bluetooth-only device of any brand via a bridge functionality. Switching PACKTALK Bold to Bluetooth-only mode will allow you to pair it with any other Bluetooth communication system via 2 intercom pairing channels. To pair a mobile phone, press the phone button for about 5 seconds.
Mobile phone 1, pairing.
On your mobile phone Bluetooth screen, search for PACKTALK and pair it.
Paired successfully.
Pairing a second mobile device is almost similar. Press the phone button for about 5 seconds.
Mobile phone 1,
Then
pairing.
double tap the phone button to switch to second pairing
Mobile
channel.
phone 2, pairing.
Proceed with the pairing process on your mobile phone.
Paired successfully.
For GPS, use the second pairing channel as described previously.
Mobile phone 1, pairing. Mobile phone 2, pairing.
And then swipe the roller forward.
GPS, pairing.
Continue with pairing process on your GPS.
Paired successfully.
Now that we got that part covered, let's start using our voice. Just remember to say, Hey Cardo. For example, to activate music. Hey Cardo, music on.
Music on.
Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume down. Hey Cardo, next track. Hey Cardo, previous track. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, mute audio.
Mute audio.
Hey Cardo, unmute audio.
Unmute audio.
Hey Cardo, music off.
Music off.
You can also use buttons. Click the media button to start music playing. Play with the volume. Click again to move a track forward. Double-click to move backward. Stop music. Now let's play some radio. Hey Cardo, radio on.
Radio on. 82.5.
Hey Cardo, next station. Hey Cardo, previous station.
88.
Hey Cardo, radio off.
Radio off.
You can also use buttons as well. To access radio via buttons, double tap the media button. Then, like music, press
89.9.
once to move to the next station,
87.
or twice to move back to the previous one.
89.9.
Perform autoscan by pressing and scrolling the roller button.
77.2.
Press the media button once to stop the autoscan process. Press it again to save the station.
78. Save.
You can also toggle between radio and music by pressing the media button for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep. Got a phone call? Just say answer. No need to say, hey Cardo. Want to ignore that call? Just say, ignore. But these are not the only thing you can do with your phone. Want to initiate a call? Say, hey Cardo, redial number.
Redial number.
If you happen to have an often used number, you can add it through the Cardo Connect app or through the Cardo community. Just say, hey Cardo, speed dial.
Speed dial.
Missing your smartphone personal assistant? Just call her name. Hey Siri.
Hey, Siri.
Call home.
Calling home.
If you're using Android, just say, OK Google, wait for the phone to beep, and then ask whatever you want. Of course, you can do all these things using simplified button operations. To answer an incoming call, press any button. To reject, press any of the 3 front buttons for 2 seconds. To ignore an incoming call, quickly swipe the roller both ways, and the caller would never know you had better things to do. You can choose to share an active call with the members of your writing group by pressing the Intercom button. This function works in DMC mode. More details on that later on. To end an active call, click either the roller, phone, or media buttons. To access your smartphone's personal assistant, click the phone button once. Don't forget to wait for the beep. Call 1-800-488-0363.
Calling plus 1-800-488-0363.
Double-click the phone button to redial a number. Press it for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep for speed dial. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for, the very thing that separates PACKTALK from the rest of the pack, the group Intercom. Back in 2004, we pioneered the motorcycle Bluetooth market with Scala Rider. We learned a lot during those years, and one of the things we learned was that Bluetooth is limited. So in 2015, we decided to reinvent the market once more and introduced DMC, Dynamic Mesh Communication. Unlike other Bluetooth units, this DMC PACKTALK creates a living connection. It wants to make friends. It adapts. If a rider or two leave the group, all the other units will work together to leapfrog the signal and keep everyone connected. When those riders return to the range, they are automatically connected. Simply put, DMC-powered PACKTALK Bold makes Bluetooth frustrations a thing of the past. Just connect it once and forget about it. PACKTALK Bold will do the rest for you. And don't worry about other Bluetooth devices of any brand. PACKTALK will connect with them as well. Now, let's make some connections. We will use 4 PACKTALKs for this example. It's the exact same process for 2, 3, or 15 devices. Make sure your PACKTALK flash green. This means they are in DMC mode. We will explain more about this later. To set a group intercom, press the intercom button on all the group devices for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep. All devices flashing? Good. Now, press the intercom button once on one of the devices, which will now act as the group admin. Wait a few seconds for all the devices to connect.
Grouping success.
And that's it. Really, that's it. It will stay connected during the day, and it will stay connected when you power the unit back on the following day, the following week, or the following year. Now, let's say you want to change the group, perhaps add a few members. No problem. Remember that admin unit? Activate grouping on both the new unit and the admin by pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep. When grouping mode is activated, press the intercom button only on the admin unit. Wait a few seconds for the two units to group. Congratulations! You just increased your group from 4 to 5. DMC is not an exclusive club. You can also bridge Bluetooth units into the DMC party. Let's see how. First step, pair the Bluetooth unit to your PACKTALK Bold. Switch your PACKTALK to Bluetooth mode by pressing the intercom and phone buttons together. Please, make sure music streaming is turned off before switching modes. This unit should now flash blue, meaning it is in Bluetooth mode. Activate Bluetooth pairing by pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep. Activate the other unit's Bluetooth pairing and let them pair. PACKTALK has universal pairing, which means you can pair it with any Bluetooth headset of any brand. More on universal pairing later on. Good. The two units are now paired in Bluetooth. Toggle PACKTALK back to DMC mode by pressing the intercom and phone buttons together. Make sure the indicator light switches from blue to green. Back in a DMC group intercom, click on that intercom button and your preset Bluetooth bridge is now a part of the party. Please note that a bridged unit needs to be in close proximity. Bridging works best in a rider-to-passenger scenario. Now, let's explore some tips and tricks to enhance your group intercom experience. Having a long-lost pal calling you? Answer. Share that active phone call with the rest of the group. Just press the intercom button while the call is active and get that person into the conversation. Like to have a private chat with any particular member of the group intercom? Select that member through the Cardo Connect app first, and then double-click the intercom button to toggle between private and group chats. Want some peace and quiet from the chatter? Click the roller for 2 seconds or until you hear the rolling beep to enjoy an intercom-free ride. Click on that roller again for 2 seconds to unmute the group. Let's say you meet your friends and discover you're the only one with a DMC-powered device. Not to worry. PACKTALK also acts as a fully blown Bluetooth intercom. Let's see how. Toggle PACKTALK to Bluetooth mode. Don't forget to check indicator light turns blue.
Bluetooth intercom mode.
Your PACKTALK is now a Bluetooth intercom unit. Press the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep to start mobile pairing on channel 1. Activate Bluetooth intercom pairing on the other device and let the two pair.
Paired successfully.
When paired, press the intercom button to open an intercom channel and again to close it. To pair another Bluetooth device on channel 2, open the second channel pairing by pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep, and then double tap the intercom button to activate second channel pairing.
Pairing.
Activate Bluetooth intercom pairing on the other device and let the two pair.
Paired successfully.
When paired, double-click the intercom button to open an intercom channel and double tap again to close it. You can of course add more devices in this fashion, creating a long Bluetooth daisy chain. If you'd like to learn more about this, watch our 4-way Bluetooth pairing video on the Cardo channel. Please note that this type of Bluetooth connection also applies for non-Cardo Bluetooth intercoms. For universal pairing, watch the universal pairing tutorial at the end of this video in the frequently asked questions section. That's it for now. To make the most out of your PACKTALK Bold, grab the pocket guide and look inside.